ShengCheng is a comprehensive company with its own brand, design, sales and installation, and has over 15 years of industry experience and professional sales team. Our products are popular all around the world. The main customers are from Europe, Australia, and North America. The main products include sunroom, veranda, pergola, awning, roller blinds, space caps U-house, and other aluminum products. For over 15 years, ShengCheng has been creating the ideal outdoor sun shading designs for outdoor living space needs. Whether you're enjoying a morning coffee outside or hosting a barbecue, ShengCheng's sun shading products will give you a wonderful space to sit, relax, or hang out. Besides, we recently focused on the research and development of the space capsule house. It meets the common pain points and challenges in the development and operation of cultural tourism projects, such as scenic area accommodation facilities, high-end camping rooms, and homestay upgrades. Our products pass CE certificate based on our professional services, strict quality control, competitive pricing, and mutual benefit principle. We have earned an excellent reputation among customers worldwide. We adhere to rigorous quality management throughout production and offer a guaranteed after-sales policy, replacement instead of repair, with on-time delivery guaranteed upon deposit payment. We also provide preferential pricing for new customers to kickstart cooperation. We warmly welcome domestic and international partners to collaborate with us for mutual success. Your orders and partnership are highly valued.